What is the role of guns in our home defense or in self-defense, generally speaking? Well, this is a discussion that is going around all the media since quite a long time, and especially after the terroristic attack in Europe and the EU government decision to restrict the law that authorized people to buy guns. This discussion became bigger and bigger and bigger. I am not against the use of guns for self-defense. I am quite positive on the use of guns, but I know exactly that guns has a specific place in the defense routine that we have. And today I just want to talk about this very briefly. To do this, I would like to give you an example. A military installation. If you consider a military installation, inside there are people with guns, normally. The guards have guns. And we could say that, in short, it is possible to use guns to defend military installation. But anyway, although they have it and they can use it, this is always considered the very last option that they have in order to stop an intrusion. Before this, they put in place a system made on layers. So we're talking about walls, barbed wire, camera system, alarm system, and others. These layers are made on purpose to discourage people that want to enter the barracks. So now I don't want to tell you that you have to be in your house or in your office or wherever you are like a soldier in a military installation. You don't have to put barbed wires around your home. Sorry. What you have to do anyway is understanding the system that is put in place in order to grant security to any military installation. Because when you understand the system and you apply the same system with different solution on your home or your office, then you will be able to improve your security. So, okay, for today I want to stop here. I don't want to go further. You only need to know that I'm releasing a course for home defense, home or office defense, where I will explain all these stages. And of course, I will do other videos to provide you suggestions in these and other subjects. So, for the moment, I conclude here my video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope to attract your interest in what I say. If you like it, like everybody says, like and share. Don't be shy, leave a comment down here, your questions, your comment, whatever. So that I can read it, I can answer you, we can grow together, and maybe I can answer some of your questions. In the next video, of course. Okay, thanks for the moment, and see you next time. Ciao.